Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on dividing fractions using the strategy of keep, change, flip. So our first example problem is 7/8 divided by 1/10, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So step one is keep. We're going to keep the first fraction the same. So 7/8 is going to stay the same. Step two, we change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Step three, the second fraction we flip. So the denominator, aka the bottom number, becomes the numerator, and the numerator becomes the denominator. From there, we multiply our numerators and we multiply our denominators. So we're going to multiply 7 times 10. 7 times 10 equals 70. 8 times 1, 8 times 1 equals 8. And we have our final answer. 7/10 divided by 7/8 divided by 1/10 equals 70/8. Now, there are ways to simplify this. We can also convert this to a mixed number, but we'll leave the converting improper fractions to mixed numbers for another live stream. All right, next example. All right, so this live stream is focused on dividing fractions. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It helps the algorithm. So we have 3/4 divided by 1/2. That'll be our next problem. Keeping it simple. 3/4 divided by 1/2. Let me get all the excess stuff out of here. All right, so step one, we keep the first fraction the same. So 3/4. So we keep. Step two, we change. We change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Step three, we flip. So for 1/2, the denominator becomes the numerator becomes the denominator. We're flipping that over. Now the final step, we multiply our numerators and our denominators. So 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 1 equals 4. And our answer is 6/4. So we keep, we change, we flip. Those are the steps. All right, I'm going to go on to my next example. So, ironically, this is called dividing fractions, but we don't actually do any division. Really, we're changing it to a multiplication problem. All right, next example. Shout out to everybody tuning in. I appreciate you. All right, let's say we have 7/8 divided by 11/12. So step one, we're keeping the first fraction the same. Step two, the division sign becomes a multiplication sign. Step three, the second fraction we flip it. So 12 is now the denominator, 12 is now the numerator, 11 is now the denominator. Now the final step, we have to multiply our new numerators and denominators. So 7 times 12 equals 84. And 8 times 11 equals 88. And we have our final answer. Seven eighths divided by 11/12 equals 84/88. Now again, this can be reduced to lowest terms, but I'm going to save the reducing to lowest terms for another video. Alright, next example. Again, please hit the like button, get the likes up. They help the algorithm a lot. Like I said, the simplifying fractions, I'll do another video where I simplify 84/88. Alright, 1/3 divided by 8/9. Alright, step 1, we keep. Step 2, we change. Step 3, we flip. Keep, change, and flip. Final step, we multiply. 1 times 9 equals 9. 3 times 8 equals 24. And our answer is 9/24. Exactly. Keep, change, flip. Shout out to everybody tuning in. I appreciate you. Alright, next problem. 4/5 divided by 5/6. Step 1, we keep. So the 4/5 is going to stay the same. Next, we change the division sign to a multiplication sign. And then last, the second fraction, we flip it. And now, we multiply. Somebody said 24/25. Let's see if they're right. Let's see if the person in the chat is right. 4 times 6 equals 24. 5 times 5 equals 25. The person in the chat is correct. 24/25 is the answer. Shout out to the person in the chat. They got the correct answer. I'm glad you're here. I appreciate you. Very impressive. All right, next example. Two-thirds divided by 9/10. Step 1, we keep. Step 2, we change. Step 3, we flip. So 9/10 becomes 10/9. And now we multiply. 2 times 10 equals 20. 3 times 9 equals 27. And our answer to 2/3 divided by 9/10 is 20/27. Shout out to everybody tuning in and everybody participating in the chat. I appreciate you. Please remember to hit the like button. The like button really helps the algorithm. You will contribute to making this the best show on television if you hit that like button. All right. 5/8 divided by 3/4. debating whether to write the words out. I don't think I have to write the words out every time. Besides, handwriting's not my forte. So step 1, we keep. 5/8 stays exactly the same. Step 2, we change the sign, division to multiplication. Step 3, we flip. So instead of 3/4, we have 4/3, 4/3. Numerator becomes the denominator, and the denominator becomes the numerator. Now the final step is we multiply. 5 times 4 equals 20. 8 times 3 equals 24. Our answer is 20/24. All right, next one. Thank you, whoever hit the like button. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. 3/4 divided by 1/5. Step 1, we keep. 3/4 stays the same. Step 2, we change. Step 3, we flip. Somebody in the chat right now is cooking. They are just getting these answers right, and they are getting them right quickly and efficiently. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 1 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 3/4 divided by 1/5 equals 15/4. All right, keep going. Thinking maybe I'll do 3 more examples, see how it goes. All right, let's say 2/4 divided by 3/5. That'll be my next one. So we keep. Step 1, we keep. Step 2, we change. Step 3, we flip. Now it's multiplication time. 2 times 5 equals 10. 4 times 3 equals 12. 2/4 divided by 3/5 equals 10/12. All right, here we go. Six eighths divided by 11/12. I think we'll do 2 more examples. So this will be the second to last one. Step 1, we keep. Step 2, we change. Step 3, we flip. Six times 12 equals 72. 8 times 11 equals 88. Man, the person in the chat is cooking right now. That's about 7 in a row they got right. 6/8 divided by 11/12. All right, final problem of the video. Final division problem of the video coming up. Five sevenths divided by 8/9. So here we go. Step 1, we keep. 5/7 stays the same. Next we change. Last we flip. 5 times 9 equals 45. 7 times 8 equals 56. And our answer is 45/56. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought of the video, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.